Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search for jobs using Indeed.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This will give you access to personalized job recommendations and allow you to save searches for later. After logging in, you'll immediately see a search bar at the top of the page. This is your main tool for finding job opportunities that match your interests and qualifications. Click on this search bar to activate it, and then type in the job title you're looking for. For example, you might enter something like Marketing Manager, Software Engineer, or Customer Service Representative. Be as specific as you'd like here, as this helps Indeed narrow down the results to positions that truly match what you're seeking. Right next to the job title field, you'll notice another input box. This second field is where you specify your desired location for the job. Click on it and enter the city, state, or zip code where you want to work. You can also choose to search remotely if you're open to work from home positions. Adding a location is crucial because it filters out jobs that are too far away and focuses on opportunities within your preferred area. Once you've filled in both the job title and location fields, look for the Find Jobs button and click on it. Indeed will now process your search criteria and display all the job listings that match what you're looking for. The results page will show you various positions from different companies, complete with job descriptions, salary information when available, and application details. You can scroll through these listings, click on any that interest you, and even apply directly through Indeed in many cases. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to search for jobs on Indeed.com using their powerful search tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.